Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Claude account to your WordPress dashboard and do a lot of stops using AI. So for this, you need a plugin. Just go to plugins, click on add plugin and simply search for MCP. And here you will find a lot of MCP plugin. So you can install any of the plugin. So here let me install the Royal MCP plugin. So with this plugin, you can connect to Claude, ChatGPT and Gemini. Let's click on activate. Now let's scroll down and click on the Royal MCP settings. And this is the dashboard of Royal MCP. So let's enable the Royal MCP integration. Let's allow AI to write WordPress options and allow AI to modify theme appearance. And here you can see the MCP server URL. Just copy it. Now let's go to Claude and here click on customization. You will see the connector option. Let's click on plus and you can set it like WordPress MCP and you need to paste that URL that you have copied and click on add. Now let's click on connect and here you can see could not register with WordPress MCP sign in service. You can try again or add an OAuth client ID in connector setting. So sometimes this error occur, so let's delete that first. So I will select this and let me remove it and let me click on plus, click on add custom connector. Let me set it to WordPress and let me copy the MCP server URL and I will paste it here. Now we need to add the OAuth client ID and client secret. So for this, click on here and here you can see OAuth client ID and client secret. Let me generate it. Let me copy that and I will paste it here and then I will create a OAuth client secret key. Let me copy it and I will paste it here. Let's click on add. So it is still giving the error. So let me go back. Let me go to the WordPress dashboard. Hit save changes. Now let's click on connect. And here you can see a authorize screen. Let me click on authorize. And we have successfully connected our WordPress website to Claude. And we have now all these options. So let me change that to always allow. Now let's go to chat and here you can select your connectors like WordPress, list out post in my WordPress website. And as you can see, it listed all these blog posts in my WordPress website. Let me verify that. And as you can see, I have 9 blog posts and it is connecting through WordPress MCP and it's showing like this. And let's go to pages and you can see these are the pages. So let me write a prompt like delete all WooCommerce pages. Let me enter. As you can see, we need to permanently delete all these pages. Let me type yes, proceed. And as you can see, all the pages are now deleted. Let's verify that. And as you can see, all these pages are now deleted from my WordPress dashboard. So this is how you can perform various tasks in your WordPress website. Let me write a blog post on Claude AI connection to WordPress. Write a detailed tutorial. Now it will create a blog post for us and automatically add to our WordPress website. So let's check how it works. And as you can see, it created a blog post. You can view the blog post here. And as you can see, the blog post is now published in our WordPress website. That's cool. Now you can use AI to perform various tasks. Let's suppose you want to assign all text to your images or you want to find images with missing all text. You can just give a prompt find images that have missing alt text in my website. As you can see, it found 57 images with missing alt text, and you can also use Claude to generate alt text for your WordPress website. So the possibility is endless. You can perform various tasks on your WordPress website using Claude. You just need to enter the prompt and it will do the job automatically for you. So you can see you have all the list of images that have missing alt text. So I hope you have learned how to connect your WordPress website to Claude pretty easily, and you can do various tasks using Claude AI. So let me know if you found this video helpful or not, and if you do, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.